Namaste guys. In this video, we are going to learn about cycle modifier. Yes, modifier, not the render engine. So with the help of that, we can create this oscillating animation. Let's start. So this is my default cube. Press Ctrl I to select everything else and delete. Select this default cube, press 1. Now go your timeline, select this, press I, location. Go to the frame 10, press GZ and let's say here 6, press I, location. Now copy this keyframe and paste it here. Now it's done. Now but it is not oscillating again and again. So what I can do, click on here, click on graph editor. Now in which axis we have applied this a keyframe? Y, sorry, Z axis. So select the Z axis, you will see a modifier tab. Just in case if it is not showing, press N. Okay, click on modifier, go here and click on cycles. Notice now it's a loop. So if I go here and play, it's a forever loop. So in that way you can create your forever loop as per your requirement. So that's for all. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.